In the midst of the ancient world, a clash of empires shook the very foundations of history. This is the story of the Second Punic War. Two military geniuses emerged. Hannibal, the audacious Carthaginian, who led his army, including war elephants, on a daring journey across the Alps to strike at the heart of Rome. And Scipio Africanus, the strategic Roman, determined to bring victory home. The war raged on for 17 years, from 218 to 201 BCE. It was a time of unparalleled heroism and sacrifice, where the fate of empires hung in the balance. Rome, with its unparalleled resources and vast legions, faced the tactical brilliance of Hannibal, who defeated Roman armies time and again. But Rome, never known to surrender, rebuilt its forces under Scipio's leadership. Finally, at the Battle of Zama in 202 BCE, Scipio's tactics prevailed. Hannibal's dream of conquering Rome was shattered. The Second Punic War ended with the Treaty of Zama, forcing Carthage to cede territories, disarm, and pay heavy reparations to Rome. The Second Punic War was a turning point in history, shaping the destinies of both empires. It left an indelible mark on the ancient world, reminding us of the power of determination, strategy, and the human spirit. The echoes of this epic struggle continue to resonate through the ages, a testament to the enduring legacy of those who fought in the Second Punic War.